I look at you as a storage god. Whoa, like storage.
Ooh, the storage god. I've never been
god.
called a storage god. I got 2 words for you.
What they call me, promise that you never be lonely.
Today, we are about to do something out of the ordinary. Today, we are going to do something I want to call restoring the love. It's often thought of that us storage pirates / storage buyers are very cold and heartless. We buy lives and we sell memories. But there's a side of us, especially me, that I don't show very often. And I've bought many storage units and given them back to people just for that reason. Went to an auction last week. The woman wanted to buy her unit back. She owed a lot of money and she didn't actually go in. She probably could have bought back the unit, but they didn't attend it. I bought the unit with the premise I'm just going to give it back to her because I felt bad and my heart always is in the right place. So we are on our way now to go meet the woman. We're gonna help her move her items to another location and have a little conversation with her and do something that you will not often see in this business. Something I wanna call, once again, restoring the love. So, something that I think the world needs to see, something that needs to happen. Hustle, grind, or wind. We got Uncle Mike in the house. We got the Salt Princess with her chocolate milk. I am a firm believer in energy. Laws of attraction, energy goes where energy flows. And I've always had a little bit of a heart on the other side of me that is bothered by people losing their stuff and so forth. And to me, I'm a firm believer as well that if people didn't have so many material items in times when they don't need them, the situation wouldn't arise. Life's great and you have possessions, keep it. But if you're in a position where life's tough, you need to let go and you kind of got to do what you have to move forward. Maybe sell the stuff, maybe liquidate it, maybe just give it away. But that bill you're paying is going to make it very difficult because if you're paying a storage and you don't have a place to live or put it, that's a negative. And if you got to figure it's $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a year for that. So that's what my personal belief is. Anyway, with that being said, we're about to meet Callie and we're going to help her get her stuff back and move it to a new place. And hopefully we'll be able to get her in a position, well, she'll be able to get herself in a position that she will get things back on track. Stay tuned. Let's do this. If you all remember the rat video right there, that door had Master Splinter in it. He could be in that unit right now. We should double check because one day we have to battle and I feel it's actually a possible chance because you think about it, there's only this many doors right here to where we last saw Master Splinter. And Master Splinter is, air quotes, the biggest rat I've ever seen in a storage unit possibly in my life. He looked like a kangaroo. Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right, I get camera shy. I'm not used to filming with people. I usually do it by myself, so it's
Throwing you off, throwing your game off. I'm
yeah.
sorry.
So here we are. We're about to move this lady's unit. You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Callie. And James, you introduce yourself.
James.
And I am very, very thankful and grateful for this man here, Mike.
I was at the auction the other day and she was trying to get her unit back and she didn't attend the auction. She probably could have won it because it went fairly cheap, but I felt compelled, so I ended up buying her unit back and we are giving it back to her for free and helping her relocate it to another location. So that's what we're about to do.
Amazing, amazing man.
First load, we're gonna take this over to her place she's going to store it at. One more trip left to move out of here. When your life is on the edge, the last thing you really need is a bunch of stuff holding you down, a bunch of more extra bills. You're paying more than the value of your stuff in the storage unit for the storage unit. And I think that is a big problem when it comes down to these situations is people need to just let go. But that is not my choice to make. I know what I know and I live the way I live and that's all I could do. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. We're gonna help this woman, give her back her stuff. We're going to help her relocate it and restore the love. Any last words you guys wanna say about this?
Not this time.
Not this time. They plead the fifth. Both of them plead the fifth. Let's do this. Drink chocolate milk. I love the positive energy, Michaela. We are here relocating her stuff to another storage unit. We're inside the storage unit now. Something very essential in troubled times is learning how to cut costs and save money because you got to save money to have more money. Callie, right?
Hello, yes?
Is this storage unit here cheaper than the one that you were just in?
Yes. This
Yes?
is about $185 a month, whereas the 10 by 20 on the other place was $279.
That's outrageous because this is a 40-foot unit, twice the size, and it's not quite half the price, but that's not bad. So it's be like about a little over 100 less, about 100 less. That's not bad. So that'll help save money and make it easier to contain.
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100
got to get the one and final load left and finish this up. So we're done here at this storage unit. Sadly, we did not meet Master Splinter again. I was hoping to run across them. I'm going to buy every unit I can here till I come across them because we have a path of destiny. In life, depending on what happens, it's all about perception. And if you look at everything as a door opening, everything could become a blessing. One more quick unload here to wrap up. Callie, how long were you in that other storage unit?
I've been there since November.
Oh, so you weren't there that very long?
November, about 6 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
A little bit.
I'm just trying to think what the amount of money was spent on storages there. I'm always intrigued by the amount of money that's spent on a storage. 300 times 6, she says.
That's 1,800, which doesn't seem feasible, but I think
For two or for one?
For two, so 1,800, so about 4,000. But
Yeah, 4,000.
I paid a majority. I was only late a few times, but the late fees over there.
Yeah,
and
late.
their option fees were like $150 a storage unit.
Oh yeah, I have that. My storage is $500 a month, and my late fee's about $100 a month on
And
mine.
they have the late fees, and then they have the advertisement they charge you for the when they public auction.
Exactly.
And then they have other
The loft
fees on top
cuts,
of the
et cetera,
fees
et
on top of
cetera.
the fees. So I owe like what, 1,300 for each storage unit still over there.
Wow.
From the fees and stuff.
What are you complaining about right now as we're trying to work at this done?
I want to know how everybody is out there. I ain't seen George. I ain't seen you guys.
Oh, you're talking about I'm just talking about this current situation right now where we're trying to just do this with the fluid motion, and you're just always complaining.
Keep bringing it. Come on.
Keep bringing it. All right. Callie, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Obviously, life has extenuating circumstances. I hope that's the word because we would not be in this position. I myself am in a time crunch with my living situation. Things got out of control, and desperate times calls for desperate measures. What is your plan with things on track, or just making life come to an easier position?
Well, Mike, I'm working every day to try to do all kinds of things. I continue to just run a financial planning business, my life insurance. I'm trying to start a nonprofit organization for people like myself and my daughter who, we're homeless for a second right now, first time in my lifetime. And so I'm trying to just do good and stay positive and every day get up and go to the grind.
That is one of the best things I think you can say, because my motto is hustle, grind, and wine. That's my thing.
it?
Hashtag hustle, grind, and wine.
Nice.
And as well, I pride myself in being a person who tries to shed light on any dark situation. I smile, love, peace, happiness, everything that brings positive energy. And I appreciate that you are in spirit, because I was hoping to not be like a sad moment and someone crying, or like, I don't like the low attitude, because it sets you in a position where you're not going to move forward and do things the right way. So I appreciate you having that type of attitude.
Well, I appreciate you and helping us, and you can't be depressed or crying or whatever. It's not going to change my situation. I have kids.
Exactly.
And I need to get back on my feet, and hopefully this is the first positive thing that's happened actually without things just keep getting down. You coming out of that storage saying, I bought your storage for you. And then I cried, and I don't cry.
Yeah, I did not get that on camera. I chose not to for a reason, or because I feel like that's like milking something for more than it's worth, and I'm not into that. I'm for just the point of things, and that is love and happiness and peace and smile and positive energy. So yeah.
And I look at you as a storage god. Whoa, like storage.
Ooh, the storage. I've never been
god.
called a storage god. I'm the storage auction pirate.
We appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, awesome. I am the storage auction pirate. With that being said, pirates are not just mean, ugly people who are out here trying to do pirate type things. A pirate to me is a person who lives by their own set of rules. She actually gave me something. I don't know where it went. Where'd that thing go you gave me with the rule on it? This right here, she asked me if I wanted this, and I looked at it and I was like, I do want that. If you obey the rules, you miss all the fun. My mentality, exactly. I say this often. I live by a fairy tale mentality. That is that no matter where you're at and what you're doing in life, good things happen. There are good pirates in this world. Just like, for instance, in Wizard of Oz, there was good witches. I'm a good pirate. I'm like Peter Pan. I'm here to fight the good fight for love. This statement right here, I love lovers. I myself am a pirate because I live by my own rules. I choose what I do, when I do it, how I do it. If I put myself in a bad position, I made that choice. If I want to pull myself up out of that position, I will make that choice. Everything I do in life is a pirate. And that is why I'm the storage auction pirate. Not because I'm out here trying to pilfer and pillage people's lives, because I'm doing what I want to do, how I want to do it, when I want to do it. That's awesome. Now I got it signed. Is there anything that you would like to say? Anything else to throw?
I just want to say thank you again, and I think if more people in the world were like Mike here and positive and just give back to people and share that type of attitude, we would live in a better place. And thanks to him, I have half of my stuff back, and I appreciate it. My daughter appreciates it, and everybody in our house appreciates it. Dogs.
That's
All of them.
awesome.
So I thank
I'm a
you.
true believer in energy goes where energy flows, you know?
Absolutely. Be around successful people if you want to be around. If you want to be successful, basically.
That's awesome.
Don't. You are who you hang with. Just remember that.
Exactly. Uncle Michael, would you like to say anything about this before we're done?
Yeah, let's go on to the next one.
On to the next one. All right.
On to
Good
the next
attitude.
one.
Hardest
Life
worker
must-
ever. Hardest worker ever.
Oh, you
How does he
watch the
always
videos,
get
see?
that every
She knows.
time? Hardest working man in America right here.
She watched the videos
It's
already.
crazy. James, right?
Yep.
Do you want to say anything?
Thank you very much for all that you guys do. You guys are doing something.
You don't even have to thank me. I'm just always hoping for like something positive, encouraging for somebody in a dark place or so forth like
Right.
that. I don't do anything for thanks or
It's nice to know
recognition.
that there's still people like you out there. That's all.
That is awesome. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Look, you're so smart. Michaela Jordan, do you have anything to say on this closing statement towards this situation and to anybody out there in the darkest times?
Sure glad we had Uncle Mike come help us.
Just do it. Here we are again with Just Do It. Michaela Jordan really appreciates Nike and their motto, Just Do It. Uncle Michael, on a side note, I just want to say, I'm fine if you being the hardest working man in America, because my whole goal in life now is to be the smartest working man in America. So I'll be the smartest working man in America. You be the hardest working
All right.
man. We'll make a team.
Sounds
The
good.
Mikes.
Fair enough.
Mikes. All right.
Starting.
Blessings, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. This is definitely something that not the normal video. Way out of touch with what we normally do. I appreciate you watching. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Say something below positive to anybody in a dark situation that needs their candle lit. And I appreciate y'all. I love lovers. Ah!
Wish you the best, Callie.
Wish you the best.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.